Hello everyone, Michelle Harvey here, also known as Hippie Oil Chick, and welcome to another episode of What's in My Monthly Wellness Box, the October edition. Actually boxes, I got 2 boxes on the same day. I got a point redemption and my essential rewards order. So I have tons of freebies to talk about today, and of course I'll delineate which ones got what came free with the essential rewards and which ones came with my point redemption. So I'm really excited to get started. You may hear some baby noises in the background. My mom is graciously holding little Jackson for me. Yay! Little cameo appearance. He may be grunting and making noises and stuff throughout the video, but hey, is what it is. So, all right, let's go ahead and get started. How about we start with the Ningxia Red, because I did get another order of the Essential Rewards Ningxia Red package that comes with 4 of these 25-ounce bottles and 30 of these 2-ounce packages. And Ningxia Red is our high-quality antioxidant drink made with the goji wolfberry from Ningxia, China. Really high in antioxidants, high in amino acids, really good for total body wellness, supporting eye health, digestive health, everything. We drink this every day. During my pregnancy, I had 4 ounces a day. Now that I'm breastfeeding, I'm doing 3 ounces a day, and Eric does 2 ounces a day. So we go through this quite quickly in our house, and that's why we got more of it in our box. Of course, you guys know I don't drink coffee. I don't know if I'm gonna start drinking coffee, but I've got a couple of boxes of Nitro. One of them was free with point redemption, and one of them I paid for on Essential Rewards. So Nitro, green tea extract. It's got a little bit of caffeine in it. I may start doubling up on these, even though that's gonna be a big, it's gonna be big for me to start doubling up, but hey, I might need them because little guy has his nights and days mixed up. He sleeps really well during the day, but doesn't give me very much sleep at night. So Nitro is a dream come true for me, and hopefully I won't have to start supplementing with coffee because I'm not a coffee drinker. All right, another supplement that we got is Essential Zymes 4. Of course, you guys know that is one of 2 of my gut health products that I do not go without. The other one is my Life 9 probiotic. I'm currently doubling up on that as well because my son started out in the NICU and they had to give him some antibiotics, which destroys the gut biome. But hey, you take what you can get whenever they have an infection that you need to fight. So I am currently taking 2 doses of Life 9 to help give me a lot of probiotics and a lot of bacteria, which will then transfer through my breast milk to him. So hopefully that's rebuilding his gut biome. But back to this is the food enzymes. It helps your tummy to break apart your fats, your proteins, your carbohydrates. So it has that extended release and that delayed release capsule. You take 1 of each. You can take it once a day or you can take it with every meal. I take it with 2 meals a day. Eric just takes it once a day in the morning. So either way, I found that Young Living supplements are very, versatile. You can do what works best for you. Okay, while we're talking about supplements, here's one free item, one of the freebies that came with the Essential Rewards this month, and that's multigreens. This is actually one that I order, so I didn't have to order it this month because I got it for free. So multigreens, full of all those plants that you don't get from your vegetables, like bee pollen, barley, spirulina, alfalfa, kelp, all of that. And of course, our supplements have essential oils in them as well. So glad to have that for free. Okay, let's talk personal care items. So 3 items, well, actually 4, but we'll start with 3. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. That's something that we go through probably every other month. Actually, my conditioner lasts a long time because it's very moisturizing, and I'm the only one that uses it. This is Copaiba Vanilla conditioner. It's going to be too heavy for those with fine hair, but for someone who has half ethnic hair, so it's a little bit drier, Copaiba Vanilla. Smells great, a little bit goes a long way, super moisturizing and hydrating, and I actually don't use a whole bunch of it near my roots because it could make them oily, but I don't do that. Lavender shampoo, normally I do lavender mint, but we're out of stock right now, so the lavender volume shampoo is something that we're substituting. Still love it, prefer the lavender mint, but as you guys know, we can't just always have everything in stock all the time. That's one of the things that we run into when our stuff has plants that grow in it, in the ingredients. Bath and shower gel, we get the base. This is unscented, and basically it is just a soap base that we can add our essential oils to. We still have some of it, but we have been known to run very low on this before, so I went ahead and stocked up on it. Same with the Mira Shave Oil. Yes, ladies, you need this, okay? It's a game changer. I know, it's weird not shaving with cream, shaving with oil. It gives you such a close shave. This stuff smells amazing. It's very moisturizing and hydrating for your legs so you don't get like that razor burn, and it gives you a super, super close shave. The only thing that I have found with this is that you have to kind of clear out your razor because this sounds gross, but like the hair can stay stuck in the blades because of the oil. But hands down, love this product in my shower, okay? If you haven't tried it, don't knock it till you've tried it. 2 more personal care items. One we paid for, one we got for free with point redemption. Is the Dentarome Ultra toothpaste. I used to be a Thieves Aroma Bright girl, but I am sold on this stuff, even though it doesn't really have the flavor that I like, as it's more of a baking soda-y type of base. I feel like it makes my mouth feel fresh and clean. And then I put some of this on my toothpaste, and I keep a bottle of Thieves Vitality oil in my shower, and I put 1 drop of Thieves. Now, it's very concentrated, so why does this keep unmuting? I'm gonna turn this off for now. Have the TV going on. So Thieves Essential Oil on my toothpaste because it's super good for oral health as well. So, but just know it's got cinnamon bark in it, so it's a little bit spicy. If you are sensitive, beware. So I've got 2 of these because Eric and I both use it. So 1 for the vanity and 1 in the shower because I like to brush my teeth in the shower in the morning. All right, personal care. Okay, what else? We got some free stuff. What else? All this free stuff. Okay, let's talk about the items that I paid for. Copaiba and peppermint. I let this pregnancy get away from me and realized that holy moly, I was running low on Copaiba and peppermint, which are 2 staples in my house. Peppermint, you guys know, is my ride or die. I use it for everything. Great for digestive support, great to help, you know, put on your temples if your temples need a little love and care. Copaiba is known as liquid gold in my house. It's a tree resin, super, super high in beta carotene, so look that up. Really goes to work on those cellular receptors. So this is in a ton of my blends, and sometimes I just use this as a massage oil, and it smells amazing. If you don't have Copaiba, you are missing out, okay? These 2, paid for these, okay? The rest of these items are free. They were either freely given to me by Young Living as promotional items or point redemption. So we'll start with point redemption, okay? Frankincense Vitality. I was running low on frankincense, and I have several bottles of plain Frank, but I wanted a bottle of Frankincense Vitality for my little Lazy Susan that goes on my dining room table. Frankincense supports cellular health, so the Vitality you can ingest in capsules, but you can also use frankincense on your skin. That's one way that I like to use it. I put it in my daily moisturizer. You doing okay, baby, over there? Yeah, this is, they call this the king of oils. Okay, what else did I get for free? Thyme, a huge 15 ml thyme. I already have a big one of these in my raindrop kit, so I'm gonna keep this as backup. Thyme is really great at supporting the immune system, and of course with Thyme Vitality, you can cook with it. Just look up the benefits of thyme. There's a lot. I can't really get into it because I gotta stay compliant, but free. Cinnamon bark, free. I was running low on it. I was gonna order it. Now I don't have to. Cinnamon bark is great to have around the holidays. It's great in the diffuser. It's in all these fall diffuser blends. It's great to cook with the cinnamon bark vitality. A lot of people put it in their coffee, put it in their chais, things like that. And it's super, super good. Also, it's supporting the immune system. So a lot of these oils are really good for immune support, which is great because we're entering cold and flu season. Another free oil, Palo Santo. This is a super spiritual oil. It's another tree oil. Not my favorite smelling tree oil, but it's super, super spiritual. A lot of people apply it during prayer, meditation. They put it on their third eye chakra. Again, in the diffuser, Palo Santo is just fantastic at kind of helping to open up that connection that you have with your higher power or God. More free, Oregano Vitality. Another immune supporter. I think they gave us a lot of immune supports because they knew we were about to hit that season, that time of year. So Oregano Vitality, you can take it in a capsule. Keep in mind, this is super, super potent. You don't need much, and you may need to dilute with carrier oil. So, or you can just apply this to the bottom of your feet because your feet's gonna have those pores in it that's gonna soak the oregano oil up, okay? Also, you can cook with this, but you need to use the toothpick method because if you did a full drop of oregano, say in your spaghetti sauce, you might render it a little inedible. This stuff is super, super concentrated. It's way more potent than the dried herbs. So you're gonna wanna take a toothpick and dip it in the orifice and then swirl it in the sauce, and that's how you're gonna add it, okay? Aroma Ease, this was another free oil. And that one is, what I like to use it for is on planes, trains, automobiles, ships, things of that nature where you move back and forth, and I apply it in front of my ears, behind my ears. You can put it here for sinuses, all sorts of stuff. This, you can rub it on the tummy. It is a great, helps just to soothe the tummy. It's a good alternative to Digize if you don't like Digize. And then to make matters even more amazing, I got another loyalty oil, which is for being on Essential Rewards for another year. You get this every year that you're on Essential Rewards. It's the only way to get it. To me, it smells kind of cologne-y. It just has almost a sultry smell to it. Great blend. One way to get it, being on our frequent buyers club. Just one 50 PV order per month for a year, and you can get this oil for free. All right, one more freebie and one item I paid for. Car diffuser vent. This thing, or vent diffuser. Really cool. You stick this is our logo. You put one of these little pads in it and you add the oil to it and put it on your AC vent in your car. Here's the dealio. They sent me the wrong color. I ordered rose gold and they sent me silver. Guess what? They're letting me keep it and they're sending me a new rose gold because that's how Young Living rolls. They're 2-day airing it to me. I don't even need it in 2 days, but they have great customer service. So they will take care of you. So what am I doing with this one? Mom's getting it because she's here helping me take care of Jackson until she leaves on Saturday. I had my mother-in-law here. God bless them because they have just been helping me to where I can get some naps in. So I'm a little nervous about when my mom leaves on Saturday. So, all right, one last item. This month they had a 400 PV freebie. I highly recommend you get it because I don't know if they are going to ever offer this again. It looks to be a beautiful gift set. It's a seed to seal collection. So it's in this beautiful box. You open it up. It's got the pictures of our lavender fields. This beautiful pamphlet that talks all about our seed to seal story, which is not just our motto. This is what we do. This is what makes us different. It's what makes us the world leader in essential oils. Seed to seal, and it talks about the 3 oils that are in it. Then 3 special edition 10 ml lavender, peppermint, and tea tree, and it talks about lavender, peppermint, and tea tree and how the seed to seal story applies to all 3 of these particular oils. So I am going to be stingy and keep this beautiful set and do something with it. I don't want to give it up because I don't know if they're ever going to make something like this again. I guess if they start selling it, maybe I will gift it. But for me, I'm really glad that my order was to the point where I could get this for free as well, because we order a lot of stuff. I mean, as you can see, we don't just get oils, we get personal care, we get supplements, and Eric's about to place an order for some seedlings items for Jackson. So I know this was a long video. I had extra stuff in my box. I had 2 boxes, and I appreciate you guys watching. Maybe next time I'll be baby wearing Jackson. Right now, mom's holding him. So stay tuned for more videos. I plan on doing this. I don't plan on falling off. This is still my business. It's still my love, and I appreciate you guys watching. If you do not have these products and you don't have a membership, please join under Happily Oily After. My number is 215-3009, or if you're working with someone, join with them. You will not regret it. If you are already a member, try joining Essential Rewards if you're not on it. If you are already a member and are on Essential Rewards, you're doing great. Thank y'all so much for watching, tuning in. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys again later on.